so our next topic is connected motion. This is also a very important topic from this chapter. So connected motion means when bodies are connected, so many bodies are connected. So one basic example I has taken, and I will explain you how to deal if connected motion problems you are getting. Here I has taken two blocks of mass m1 and m2. Suppose m2 is more than m1. Both the masses are connected to each other with the help of this pulley. That pulley you know na, that is free to rotate. It is an arrangement which is free to rotate. Okay. So m2 is heavier than m1. So when m2 is heavier than m1, this body will come down. That's why motion is in downward direction. And since it is coming down, it will go up in upward direction. Correct? What we will try to find out, one body is heavier, one body is lighter, m2 is heavier than m1. So m2 is going down, m1 is going up. So when they are in motion, they will have some acceleration. So now we will try to calculate with what acceleration these connected bodies are moving. Second thing, what is the tension which will develop in the string? That we will also try to calculate. So suppose for mass m2, correct? Okay. For mass m2, what is the net force? It is coming down. So weight, this is more than tension. What is the formula for net force? Mass into acceleration. What is mass here? m2, acceleration is a, weight is m2g minus tension. This is clear to everyone. This is the first equation. This is the equation for net force for this body. Now for mass m1. So F net is equal to, now see here, this body is going up. On this body how many forces are there? Tension is there and weight is there. Since it is going up means tension is more than weight. So T minus this. What is net force? Net force is m1, net force is m1a. Tension, what is weight? Weight is m2, m1g. Correct? So this is our equation number 2. So these two equations are there. These equations we will solve and we will try to calculate acceleration and tension. So two equations are there. So what I will do, first I will add both equations. So equation 1 plus equation 2. As you will add m2a plus m1a is equal to m2g minus t plus t m1g. Correct? What is cancel out? Minus t plus t cancel out. A is common, m1 plus m2. Then minus t, this cancel out. What is remaining here? Here g is remaining. So m2 minus m1. So what is acceleration? So acceleration is m2 minus m1g divided by m1 plus m2. So this is the formula for acceleration. So with this acceleration, both these connected bodies will move. So first part we have calculated, that is acceleration. Now we have to calculate second part, that is the tension which is developed on the string. So how we can calculate second part? Now these two equations, now we can divide them. If we will divide them, what we will get? m2a by m1a is equal to m2g minus this t minus m1g. A cancel out, m2 t minus m1g is equal to m1 m2t minus m2 m1g is equal to m1 m2g minus m1t. Now we will bring this tension term together. So it will be m2t plus m1t and this I will transfer this side. So, as I will transfer this side, it will become 2 m2 m1 g. Here tension is common. So, what is remaining inside the bracket? m2 plus m1 2 m2 m1 g. This much is clear. So, now where we, okay, now I will write here. See, after this I am writing here, please be careful. After this I am writing here. So, tension is equal to 2 m2 m1 g is equal to m2 plus m1. So, this is the tension which is developed in case of connected motion. So, I hope you all are getting this topic. So, these are the few important topics which I has discussed from this laws of motion. Now, laws of motion is very vast. It is consist of this friction part. Friction part will come, then motion of a body on inclined plane, then bending of cyclist is there, banking of road is there. So many things are there, but whatever I can cover in this small time I has done for you. So, at last again I thank all of you for visiting us, and good luck to everyone for NEET 2017. Thank you.